back here, Halleluyah Restoration, 912homeworks.com, and we have a treat for our 912 viewers today. We are on downtown, beautiful River Street in Savannah, Georgia, getting ready to replace a door that is probably every bit of 100 years old. And you know, there's already a lot of things that go into choosing the right door, architect style, finish, and many other things. But when you're downtown in a historical area, it really amps up because you have to have historical approval, and then being here on the river, the integrity approval, making sure you get the correct design pressure rating and integrity of the door, and also keep that historical feel of the original architecture of the area. So this is the original door, over 100 years old. We'll show you the new door here in a little bit. Stay tuned, it's going to be a great project. 912homeworks.com, click today, start tomorrow. What's going on, guys? Mark back here, Halleluyah Restoration, 912homeworks.com. We're back out in beautiful River Street, Savannah, Georgia. The 100-plus-year-old door is gone, no more. And what you have is a beautiful Therma-Tru fiberglass door that will last another 100 years. So if you're thinking about getting your doors replaced, or you want to become the expert in having your exterior home renovation completed, go to 912homeworks.com today. If you want to reach out to one of the best retail companies that put service first and over 175-star reviews, go to Halleluyah Restoration Facebook, check us out, click today, start tomorrow.